In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load Lisp in AutoCAD. If you've ever wanted to extend what AutoCAD can do with custom tools, Lisp plugins are a simple way to get started. They're small files that add commands or automate tasks, and the loading process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, download your Lisp file plugin. Make sure you get it from a trusted, reputable source such as a developer you know or an official provider. Lisp plugins commonly use file extensions like .lisp, .fas, or .vlx. Save the file to a place you can easily find again. If your browser asks where to save, choose your Downloads folder or a dedicated plugins folder to keep things tidy. While it's tempting to grab tools from anywhere, always verify the source so you know exactly what you're loading into AutoCAD. Next, locate the folder where the download was saved. On most systems, that will be your default Downloads folder unless you picked a different location. Open your File Explorer and look for the file name and its extension. If you have more than one file with a similar name, check the date and size to make sure you've got the right one. Having the correct file in view before moving on will make the next step smooth and error-free. Now, with AutoCAD open, simply drag and drop the Lisp file from your File Explorer directly into the AutoCAD drawing area. Don't worry about where in the drawing you drop it. Anywhere in the main workspace is fine. When you release the mouse button, AutoCAD may display a prompt asking if you want to load or allow the application. Read the prompt, confirm that it matches the file you just dragged in, and then click the option to proceed. After you confirm, AutoCAD loads the plugin immediately. You'll usually see a brief message on the command line indicating it was loaded successfully. At that point, the new functionality provided by the Lisp is ready to use within your current session. And that's all there is to it. To keep things organized, consider storing your downloaded Lisp files in a consistent folder so you can find them later. If you reopen AutoCAD and the plugin isn't active, just repeat the same drag and drop process to load it again. Keeping your files easy to locate will save time whenever you want to bring those tools back into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing AutoCAD with your newly loaded Lisp plugin.